What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. I just got done going to a car meet. It was lit. It was cars and coffee style, early morning, called Morning Revs in Fresno, California at the Maya Cinemas. And it was a great turnout. If you haven't seen the video already, go ahead and hit the link somewhere up here. Make sure to watch it. There was a lot of nice looking cars. Sorry about that sun. It's like right in my face. Hopefully it's not affecting the camera too much. So since I'm out and about braking in the clutch, I decided to give you guys a little bit of an update. So this clutch takes approximately 750 miles to break in. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at how many miles I have on the clutch already. Come on, load. So we got 275 miles. That's since the clutch has been installed in the vehicle, and so far the clutch rides amazingly. The pedal feels almost identical to stock, maybe a little bit heavier, but I'm definitely enjoying it. The drivability is getting easier and easier. I'm getting closer to stock the more that I drive it, so that's a good sign. That means everything is installed properly, everything is going how it's supposed to. I do get a chatter. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but when I'm at idle or as soon as I let off the throttle, when I'm downshifting, you can really hear the chatter. It's a little bit annoying, but it's definitely something that I can live with. Another thing that I haven't really gotten back to you guys is, how do I like this MBRP catless downpipe? Well, I absolutely love it. It makes the exhaust have a lot more bass to it. It sounds a lot more, how can I say it, throatier maybe. It's a lot deeper. And it's confirmed, I do shoot flames. I haven't caught it on video, but I plan on making a video separately for that, and we'll get some flames on video. So far, haven't even got it on the car yet. I think the most boost that I've built up so far is probably around 6 pounds. So I haven't been on the car whatsoever. I've been babying this car ever since I've been done with the clutch and downpipe install. I want that clutch broken in properly. I don't want to take any risks of glazing the clutch. So I've just been taking it pretty easy, just pretty much driving it as often as I can to get mileage down. I put 275 miles in about 2 weeks. So far everything's been good. Alright guys, so I thought I would just give an update on how the process of breaking in the clutch is going, and obviously it's going pretty well. I have no major issues. The power steering is fixed, everything's going great with the car. The MBRP downpipe sounds amazing. It shoots flames as expected. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video right there. If you've enjoyed this video, of course, go ahead and give that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comments section below. Let me know how you would suggest breaking in the clutch. I know a lot of people don't recommend going on long freeway drives, because when you break it in, it should be like city driven or like your daily routine. And honestly, I don't do too much driving on the freeway, so I'm not going to be just taking a long road trip just to break in the clutch. That makes absolutely no sense. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy.